Well, welcome to my bathroom. Thanks for coming. Today's video is going to be glorious. I'm going to be filming a 1960s mod makeup tutorial, and at the end of this video, I'm going to be revealing 2 mod outfits that I sewed myself. I'm all about the bass, no trouble. Smells lilac-y. Alrighty, I'm just gonna take my Peach Perfect foundation. I'm gonna put that all over my face. You know, after you exfoliate your face and it's super irritated, that's how my face feels right now. So this feels like not good. I'm even gonna put it in my eyebrows. Now that we have our base started, I'm going to take this white Jeffree Star concealer, which to be fair is very pale. It is too pale for me to use generally, but I'm just going to take some of that and put just a tiny bit underneath my eyes so that we have a brightening effect, and I'm going to blend that out with my beauty blender. So I forgot to mention this earlier, but this is the photo I'm kind of referencing for our makeup look. I have no idea who this person is, but she looks gorgeous and very mod 1960s-esque. So now I'm just filling in my eyebrows using my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Blonde. Then I just use the spoolie side of that eyebrow pencil to brush through my brows. Then I realized my brows were looking a little bit unruly, so I just grabbed some hair trimming scissors and I cut them down. Then I just mixed those 2 eyeshadow shades together and added some of that in to finish off my brows. Alright, now that we have these bold faced caterpillars, I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. Alright, now let's take the shade Pink Peony and let's work that all the way up to our brow bones and all the way into our inner crease. That's looking good. We've really whited out our eyes. Alrighty, so I'm going to wet my brush and then I'm going to dip into the shade Cool Taupe and I'm going to put that all on my eyelid. That is looking fundamentally quite fabulous. So now I'm going to work on the cut crease portion of this look. So I'm going to take the shade cedar, and I'm going to start working that into my crease. That is quite dark, but fundamentally I believe it achieved our goal. Alright, I'm just going to take that smokiness and I'm going to kind of, you'll see. Wow. I can't believe how well that worked actually. Alright, so I'm going to go in with that same brown shade and I'm going to kind of do a little faux liner underneath my eyes. That looks quite nice. All right, so now we're gonna go. I'm gonna take my NYX liquid vinyl liner, and I'm gonna do some thick 1960s classic eyeliner. The irony is ironic. Alright, that eyeliner turned out fabulous. So, and it's dry now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to curl my upper eyelashes and I'm going to put mascara on my upper and lower eyelashes. Alright, we're thoroughly mascaraed. So now I'm going to take some false lashes I got. They're actually Halloween lashes from Ardell, but I'm going to trim those to size and I'm going to put them on my eyelids. I definitely put that on wrong. It is so uncomfortable. Now for the other. Okay, so that looks quite nice. I just blended everything together with mascara. And the false lashes I definitely applied wrong. They're like slightly uncomfortable. They're coming up in the inner corners. But the important part is I feel like a very glamorous horse. You know, because like horses have like those really like long eyelashes. If you've ever seen a horse. If you haven't, I mean, I don't know what to say. That's unfortunate. Excellent. Like always, I never have the correct shade of lipstick, and today we need like a nude lipstick, so I'm gonna make one. I'm just gonna take a bit of flamingo and a bit of cool taupe. Alright, now I'm gonna go over that with some lip balm. And let's go back in with a bit of cool taupe and pink flamingo. Now I'm just gonna line my lips with a lip liner. Oh my gosh, that's excellent. I look like Twiggy. Alright, so our makeup looks very reminiscent of the mod 1960s culture. It's quite fabulous. And now I'm going to move on to hair. So for inspiration, I found this magazine cover from 1965 online, and it is Jean Shrimpton. I have no idea who that is. If you do, please comment down below. But I'm going to try to recreate her hair look on myself. Oh man, that is attractive. Okay, so now I'm just gonna part my hair. What I look like now is the 1990s Totally Hair Barbie, the best-selling Barbie of all time. Alrighty, my hair is far thicker and floofier than hers, but I think that's it's pretty close. I think that's the closest we're gonna get in this lifetime. Alrighty, so this is mod dress number 1. As you can see, it is a gorgeous velvet fabric, has a gorgeous slit in the side, so you can walk around even if your skirt is a little bit like restrictive mobility-wise. And also I paired it with this glorious belt to really cinch in the waist and bring out that very 1960s bold, feminine physique aesthetic. Okay, so the other dress is more like classy, elegant, beautiful for a cocktail night in with you and all of your wealthy friends. And this dress is more like wild surf party. And when I say wild, wild in every sense of the word. So the pattern of this dress is just overall wild. I made it when I was 13 years old. Weirdly, it still fits because it's just like super duper stretchy. And then also I would like to point out it has lace sleeves, so that is fundamentally quite wonderful. Bye, thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share so that the YouTube algorithm picks up my channel. Jesus, that hurt.